It is possible to turn $250 into $15,000 in less than 2 months using a low deposit trading app by trading cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel. In this video, you will see if I managed to turn $250 into $15,000 in 2 months using the best trading app in the world. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone, I hope everybody's well today. So as you can see here on this chart on market cap, you can see Bitcoin USD chart and also all the other cryptocurrencies, and you can guess how much profit you can make from this fluctuation here: ups, downs, 5% up, 6% down, 7% up, 6% down, and so on. This means money for you and me, for us traders. Also is the same thing here on trading view chart on euro USD chart: ups and downs here, and you can make big profits from this one. But I know a lot of you are using indicators, are using expert advisors apps, but which is the best trading app in the world at this point? And the question of this video is, can you make from $250 invested $15,000 in 2 months using a trading app with low deposit? And the answer is yes. And which app is that? You are asking, hey Chris, which app meets these requirements? So I will tell you right now, this app is called CryptoDroid Pro. Yes, CryptoDroid Pro made me $15,000 in 2 months. As you can see now, I have into my balance $16,500 because I already made a $10,000 withdrawal. I'll put the video somewhere here for you to watch it. And now, as you can see, I have some open trades here with CryptoDroid Pro. But for those of you who are new to my channel and you didn't heard about CryptoDroid Pro, what is CryptoDroid Pro? It is a semi-automated trading app. That means by the push of a button you are able to place these trades into your unassigned broker account, because you cannot use this broker only if you are joining an broker that is recommended by the app. So you can use for free the app, but you have to use the broker they recommend. And as you can see, two trades are closed right now, and that's pretty much is about this app. As you can see, we here are the trading signals, open trades here. The broker is DAX base. Let me go ahead and I will show you a bit my broker. And that's it, DAX base. And as you can see here, the balance is reflected also here into my DAX base account, $5,050, and also $5,050 here on my DAX base account, live account. And let's go ahead, let's go back to our CryptoDroid Pro app. So as I said, after you register, I'll put a link below this video in the description area. Just take care, because there are a lot of websites that are copying, scam websites that are copying this one, and you might lose your money if you don't register from a trusted place. That's why I'm putting the link below this video to all the videos that I make with CryptoDroid Pro. And after you register, just click on this deposit button. It will take you to your assigned broker, which is available in your area. Deposit the minimum $250, and that's it. You can start making such good amount of money. As you can see here, $15,000 in 2 months. That means $7,050 and $500 per month, which is great for a trading app. Another one is closed, as you can see here. And let's go ahead and let's have a look here. Here you can select or deselect any currency pair or cryptocurrency pair. If you want to trade with only currency pairs or only cryptocurrencies, you can deselect any currency pair you want or cryptocurrencies. Here is the demo. The Crypto Droid Pro is coming with a demo. As you can see, this one is demo. You'll have 1500 virtual money here. Just put this on and you will see how signal will come here in this trading box. And as you can see here, it's one. Let me close this one. Let's go back to my live account. Here is the trading chart, Euro Japanese yen, but you can switch on every chart you want to see the live chart. Here are the market news, live market news, because this app is combining technical analysis with indicators and also fundamental analysis, and it is using an AI, artificial intelligence, to place trades. So here is the trade history, and these are the open trades. And let me place a few more trades. I'm trading with $200 per trade, but if you start with $250, of course you are able to switch on $25. And if you have a big account, you can trade even with $1,500. And let's place this one. This is a short. Let's click on trade. I'm trading with $200 per trade. Dash USD, click on trade. Euro AUD, click on trade also. And XRP USD, click on trade. And as you can see, the balance is going down. Ethereum Euro, let's click on trade, and be careful, don't place these signals that are expiring here. As you can see, we have 14 seconds, 1 second here, and it's gone. And Litecoin Euro, let's click this one also. And Bitcoin USD, a lot of cryptocurrency, as you can see here, signals. And that's it. That is the trading session for today. I've placed already a lot of trades today, and let me have a look here. As you can see, this is a older trading session. I've placed trades with $100, but let's see this one here with $200. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trades with plus 10 11 12 13 14 16. So around 16 trades per place. Don't over trade. More 15 trades per day, it's enough. Trade between 11 o'clock am and 5 o'clock pm. These are the best trading hours. And that's all about this Crypto Droid Pro trading app. I'll put a link below this video if you want to use it. And I know that it will take some time in order to close these trades that I just placed right now, and I will be back to you with the results of I'll skip the video and I'll be back to you with the results of these trades. So stay here, don't go. I'll be back in 1 second. Alright guys, so I'm back with today's trading session using Crypto Droid Pro trading app. And as you can see, my balance has increased $8,850 profit, $19,100 my balance, because I already made a withdrawal of $10,000 using this particular trading software and DAX based broker. And let me go ahead and I'll show you the results of today's trading session. By the way, I just want to show you not all the results. I will show you all the trades that I've placed today with $200, because I have an older trading session with $100, but all that matters is this one, $200. And from here, starting from here, as you can see, two losses out from how many trades. Let's see exactly how many trades it was with $200. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So 2 trades out of the money from 17 trades placed with Crypto Droid Pro trading app. So if you don't believe me, go ahead. I'll put a link below this video in the description area. Try yourself. You have a demo account, try it on a demo and see how it's working for you. So that was the video for today. If you like the video, give me a like and also share this video to your friends. Don't be greedy, and I'll see you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. This will be notified every time I'm uploading new videos on my channel. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.